While everyone's obsessed with AI, these technologies are literally reshaping reality, and nobody's talking about them. Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today we're exploring groundbreaking technologies flying under the radar. These aren't getting headlines, but they're about to transform how we live. Let's dive in. 1. Edge computing revolution. Forget cloud computing. The future is bringing all that power directly to your devices. What is edge computing? A. Processing data locally on devices instead of remote servers. B. Instant responses with near zero latency. C. Works without internet connection. D. Enhanced privacy and security. Real-world impact. A. Self-driving cars making split-second decisions. B. Smart factories with real-time quality control. C. Medical devices that diagnose instantly. D. AR glasses that actually work smoothly. Why now? 5G networks plus powerful mobile chips make it possible. Market growing from 10 billion to 150 billion by 2030. 2. Synthetic biology and engineered organisms. Scientists are literally programming living cells like computer code. What they're creating. A. Bacteria that eat plastic waste and convert it to fuel. B. Yeast engineered to produce spider silk, stronger than steel. C. Algae that produces biofuel more efficiently than oil wells. D. Bacteria that detect and destroy cancer cells. The tech behind it. A. CRISPR gene editing, cutting and pasting DNA. B. Synthetic DNA creation from scratch. C. Biological circuits that function like computer chips. Already commercial. Engineered insulin, lab-grown leather, synthetic vanilla, biofuel from modified algae. 3. Neuromorphic computing. Computer chips that work like human brains instead of traditional processors. Why it matters. A. 1,000 times more energy efficient than current AI chips. B. Learns and adapts in real time. C. Perfect for robotics and autonomous systems. D. Can run advanced AI on battery power. How it's different. A. Uses neurons and synapses instead of transistors. B. Processes info like your brain. Parallel, not sequential. C. Learns from experience without retraining. Who's building? Intel, Loihi chip, IBM, True North, Brain chip, multiple startups, already in commercial testing. 4. Vertical farming 2.0. Growing food in skyscrapers with 95% less water and 99% less land. The evolution. A. LED lighting optimized for plant growth. B. AI-controlled climate for perfect conditions. C. Stacked layers producing 400 times more per acre. D. Year-round growing regardless of weather. E. Zero pesticides needed. Mind-blowing stats. A. 1 acre of vertical farm equals 400 acres traditional farming. B. Crops grow 3 times faster. C. Located in cities equals ultra-fresh, zero transport emissions. D. Uses recycled water in closed-loop systems. Impact. Solving food security, reducing agricultural carbon footprint, feeding growing cities. Already operational in Dubai, Singapore, Netherlands. 5. Quantum sensing, using quantum physics to measure things we've never been able to detect before. Capabilities. A. Detecting underground structures without digging. B. Finding submarines anywhere in the ocean. C. Measuring brain activity with millimeter precision. D. Detecting gravitational waves from space. E. Navigation without GPS. Unhackable, works anywhere. Applications. A. Medical scans, 100 times more detailed. B. Finding valuable minerals underground. C. Earthquake prediction weeks in advance. D. Self-driving cars, seeing around corners. Status: military already using it. Commercial sensors expected 2025 to 2027. 6. Digital twins technology, creating perfect virtual replicas of real-world objects, buildings, or even entire cities. What you can twin. A. Manufacturing equipment. Predict failures before they happen. B. Human organs. Test treatments virtually before surgery. C. Entire cities. Optimize traffic, energy, emergencies. D. Supply chains. Simulate disruptions. E. Your own body. Personalized medicine. The power. A. Test thousands of scenarios risk-free. B. Predict problems months ahead. C. Optimize everything in virtual space first. D. Save millions in trial and error. Already used by NASA, Formula One teams, Boeing, Singapore, entire city, Siemens factories. 7. Acoustic levitation and manipulation. Moving objects using only sound waves. Yes, really. What's possible? A. Levitating objects in midair with no contact. B. Assembling electronics without touching them. C. Moving liquids drop by drop with precision. D. 3D printing with levitating materials. E. Contactless surgery inside the body. How it works. A. Ultrasonic waves create pressure points. B. Objects float at pressure nodes. C. Multiple speakers control position precisely. D. Can manipulate objects smaller than human hair. Current uses: drug manufacturing, electronics assembly, research labs, consumer applications coming soon. 8. Swarm robotics. Thousands of tiny robots working together like ant colonies. What they do: A. Self-organize without central control. B. Adapt to changing situations instantly. C. Work together to solve complex problems. D. Continue functioning if some units fail. Real applications: A. Search and rescue in disaster zones. B. Pollinating crops, replacing declining bees. C. Environmental monitoring across huge areas. D. Warehouse automation. E. Medical nanobot swarms treating diseases. The breakthrough: AI algorithms inspired by nature. Ants, bees, birds, fish schools, already deployed in Amazon warehouses and research labs. While headlines focus on ChatGPT and social media drama, these technologies are quietly building the actual future. They're not flashy, but they're fundamental. Which technology surprised you most? Let me know in the comments. And smash that subscribe button if you want more deep dives into tech that actually matters. Next video: failed technologies that lost billions. The most important innovations often fly under the radar. Stay ahead of the curve, and I'll catch you in the next one.